Good morning, viewers, and welcome back to Luo English Dictionary channel. Now, one month ago, I asked you to give us comments of Luo words that begin with the letter E in Facebook. And we had so many comments, and I just want to go through them. And thank you so much for those who commented. There are people like all comments. So, Luo words that begin with the letter E. Oscar Cambona. Oscar, you said ero, ego, and elo. McLean Okoya, he said entie, erego, and ero kamano. But you didn't give meanings. That's good enough. Now, who else? Super Tabs, ero kamano. Enango, elo. Entie, enkanye. Suzanne, ero kamano. Critical dinkan. Erego, egoke. Embene, echago. Samson, nyaoke. Other than erokamano, ok anemoro. Other than erokamano, I don't see any other. Minjanam Gin Junior, Embo, Elo, Ere. Bahati Pascal, erokamano, ero. Freddy Kobondo, erego. Karanio Chieng, erokamano, everybody erokamano. Hey, this one, Josephine Ogambi, environment. Hey, I worry, Josephine. Then, Okwema Oremo, erokamano. Engo, akanyo. Erokamano. No. Everybody said erokamano. So today, let's talk about Luo words that begin with the letter E. Now, Luo words that begin with the letter E. So, the letter E is pronounced A. And A means like I agree. I agree. A. That is I agree. So, or you're being emphatic. So, number 2, N-E-ot. N-E-ot. So, N-E-ot means he is in the house. E. So, like ewi or ebo. Ewi is on top of. Ebo, below or under. So, beneath or under. That is ewi. Ebo, sorry. Then we move on to Ewa. Ewa means here it is. Ewa. Eki. These. Take these. Eki. Take them. There they are. Then there is thigh. Not thigh. Then there is M. M is the thigh, a human thigh. Okay? Emo mio. Therefore. And him or her. And eri here. Eri or any. Aguata eri. Okombe eri. Kijiko eri. Here is a spoon. Here is a calabash. Here is a spoon. A spoon I'd already said. Ero. That means dare. Erotez-moi. Can you dare do that? Okay? And ero can be used for interjection. When you're interjecting, you can say ero. Okay? Then the last one I would talk about is ewange. Ewange is like the bull's eye. Ewange. He's done it exactly like I expected. So thank you for all these people I'm putting here, those who tried to comment on the video. Thank you for ever supporting us. Remember now we do not have end of video things because our channel is set up for kids and YouTube removed all that possibility. The only way to get us is to send us an email using this link here or get into our website and just communicate with us. We are in social media. We're in Twitter. We are in Facebook and all the social media channels. We hope to see you soon. Peace.